So after restoring the iPhone, English, Ireland. Please don't tell me this is iCloud locked. Continue. I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Alright, we connected to Wi-Fi. As you can see, next. Next. Set up later. Let's make it passcode. Don't transfer. And bro, this is not iCloud locked. What? Setting up Apple ID. This is taking forever. Come on. I'm gonna get my hands on you. Analytics don't share. Standard. Welcome to iPhone. Oh my god. I paid like barely any money for this. And I literally got this fully functional. No iCloud lock. What? Oh, unfortunately it's on iOS 15 now. But, you know, at least it's working. See ya.